Hi guys, welcome to another AI automation related video, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can connect Asana with N8N. If you don't know about N8N, N8N is an AI automation platform where you can create AI agents without any coding knowledge. You will find the link in the description where I've created a basic level tutorial on how you can create your own AI agents. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Asana. Asana is a project management tool with N8N, meaning we can create Asana tasks, Asana projects automatically using N8N. So in this video, we'll connect these two platforms. So this is my N8N workflow. I'm going to click on this plus sign here and search for Asana. Here we have this Asana node, and this is the trigger, and these are the actions. I need to make an action where I will create a new task. So click on create a task. And here we have the option of credentials. Click on create new credentials from this drop down. And here you have these docs where you can read all of the documentation about how to connect Asana. We will use two methods. The first method is to use access token, and the other one is using OAuth 2. We will test out both of the methods. So first, let's test out using access token. In order to generate the access token, make sure you're already logged into Asana. I'm here logged into my Asana project. And once you go there, click on this open the developer console. So you can either click here or you can directly go to app.asana.com/0/myapps, right? And all you have to do is just click on create new token and then name this token as whatever you want to name it. I'm going to name it YouTube test 1. Click on I agree to Asana API terms and then click create token. And here you have this token. So copy this token and paste this access token here. Once pasted, click on save. Okay. Here you can see that our connection has been successful. And now let's try creating one of the tasks in Asana. So this is my workspace. I only have one workspace in my Asana, which is called my workspace. That is the workspace. You can see it here. I'm going to create a test task here. Name. Oops. I'm going to close this here. So let's open it back again. Name, test, task, name. And here we have the additional options where you can simply mention due on. You can add the time. I'm going to select today's date here. Let's add in some more fields, assignee name and ID. So I can assign this to myself, which is the test account which I created. And you can add in more details like project names if you want to assign any project. Currently, I don't have any project, but I think it's the test project which is showing up here. So if I go to this here, you can see that that is the project which got automatically created when I created a test account, right? So let's execute this step and see if we get this new task. Click on execute step. And here you go. You can see that the new task is created with the due date of today. So here you go, test task name. And the due date is today. The project is assigned. Again, we can fill in all the rest of the details as well with this node. Now we will create another credentials with the second method. So click on create new credential and then click on OAuth 2. And now for that, we were gonna go back to our app.asana.com to this URL. Again, you can go from this N8N documentation as well by clicking on open the developer console. Perfect. Click on create new app and I'm going to name it YouTube test 2. Perfect. What we need to do, we are looking to automate work in Asana and we agree to the terms and condition. Click on create app. Okay guys, our app is now created. Now we will need to click on OAuth, copy this client ID, client secret. So I'm going to copy this client ID and client secret. And we need to copy this OAuth redirect URL to our Asana app. So click to copy and then paste the redirect URL here by clicking on add redirect URL and then paste the URL here from your N8N, right? Click on add. And we also need to assign appropriate permission. So if you need to create attachments, goals, or whatever permission you want to give it, you can create app based on the permission, or alternatively, you can simply assign full permission. I'm going to select full permission option click on Save Changes and then go to Manage Distribution and select the workspace. So I'm currently on my workspace, right? And I can simply add the workspace from here, or I can simply select any workspace. Click on Save Changes and go back to N8N. And then after saving it, you will have this option of Connect My Account. So click on Connect My Account. And here you can see that you will get this pop-up, and then click on Allow. Now our connection has been successfully created. So that is the second method on how we can connect. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you are having any issues connecting Asana, or if you want to learn anything else in N8N. We'll love to create video tutorials for you guys. Until next video, have a great day.